Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to play fantasy football for money. Okay, so I'll leave a link to this website in the description below. It is owned by Yahoo. You're going to be playing fantasy football via Yahoo, and I just wanted to show you guys the current prize pools. So as you can see, you could play for as little as $5. So you play for $5, you play for $20, you play for $50, $100. And I just want to give you guys the breakdown. So first place will get $25 if you're entering with $5. Second place, you get $15. Third place, you just get your buy-in back, essentially. So if you get first place, you just multiply your buy-in by 5. Second place, multiply it by 3. Third place, you just get your money back. So yeah, so you click on join any one of these leagues. Just wanted to show you guys that I already have 2 teams that I'm going to be playing. We have not drafted our teams yet, but I'm just going to give you guys a demonstration of what the sign up process looks like. So again, link to this will be in the description below. So I'm just going to join another $5 league here. So I'm going to click on join. Okay, so from here, it's just going to default number of teams. So number of players, essentially like how many people could be in your league. Again, you could choose your competition level. I'm just going to opt into the $5 entry here, and you could select live standard draft versus live salary cap. Now this is for more advanced players. I think in this version you have like a set salary that you can spend on players. Live standard draft is, well, the standard version of it. And once you select that, you're going to go over to draft date, and you can see what available dates there are to enter into your fantasy pool. So the next available date looks like it's going to be on the 4th. I already have something happening on the 4th. So let's go over to, I have something happening on Monday as well. So let's go to Tuesday. So let's see what draft times are available here. So draft time available at 6 p.m. Not sure what's going to be happening at 6 p.m. So we're just going to move along to the next one here. Okay. Going to the 8th, which is a Wednesday. Again, just 7 p.m. So all the late ones, unfortunately. So I can't really enter those, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Again, 8 p.m. These are all showing up for times where I can't be certain that I'm going to be around for the draft time. Okay, here we go. What's the date on this? Date on this is Friday. Okay, a bunch of different drafts here. So let's just say, for example, I pick this 10 a.m. draft. There are currently 0 people in this league. So I would be the first. So let me just see if I can scroll through. There are 3 people at the 11 a.m. one. Let's see, what about 9 a.m.? There are 2 people in that one. What about 12? 2 people in that one. So the 11 or the 10 o'clock one, 3 teams so far, 1 p.m. Okay, I would say the 11 a.m. one is going to be my best bet. So after you've determined the best date that works for you and the best time, click on join. And from here, you're going to either enter in your credit card number, or you could choose PayPal. And then you're just going to have to tick this box here, just agreeing to their terms of service and everything like that. And then you're just going to scroll down and submit payment. Just looking at this again, I'm not sure if I'll be available at this time, so I'm not going to actually hit submit payment for this. But after you've confirmed it, you should be going back to this screen here where you can see your fantasy teams. Like I said, I'm currently involved in 2 $5 entries, and I'm just waiting for the day we actually select our players. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. You'll be entering with random players, which I've been looking for a little bit. So it's kind of cool that Yahoo allows you to do this. So yeah, have fun.